What's up, guys? So today we are going to make a Italian sausage recipe that I saw on a TikTok video. Imagine that, right? So we're going to try it. It's pretty simple. Let me show you what we got going on. Alright, guys, so it's going to be pretty simple. We have Italian sausages, which I will slice down the middle and put these cheese sticks in. Then I'll top those with some Italian seasoning and then top all of it together with this fire roasted tomato and garlic Newman's Own sauce. Guys, guess what I forgot to turn the oven on 400 degrees. Boom. Let that start preheating. Alright, guys, so as you can see, all of them have been split and filled with the mozzarella cheese, and now it's time to put them in the pan. Had to use two pans, so now it's time to put in our Italian seasoning. And you know, one thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put these closer together because they are, when I put the sauce on, I don't want it to necessarily fall through. So, there we go. And no, I did not put any spray or oil because these are sausages and they're not gonna stick. Tomato sauce time. Smells delicious. Boom. Looks good, guys. We about to do it up. Alright, guys, so they're in the oven now. They'll be in there for probably about 20-25 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. So it's been 20 minutes. Let's take them out and look at them real quick. Alright, this is what they look like. See that steam, cheese, sauce. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to put them back in there for another 5 minutes, and then we'll plate it. Alright, guys, so there we have it right here. All done. All 10 of them. They smell amazing. Alright, guys, so they were amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any recipes you want to see me try, let me know. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.